Sawadee. This video I'm going to share with you how to understand how to read the Thai consonants on my learning materials better. First, you have to know what are the sounds that are not available in English, which are this sound. The word van in English may sound like when a Thai person pronounce it with the Thai pronunciation system. Van become van. Think become ting. Zebra become zebra or even zebra. Shoes become shoe even without the s ending. Okay, and these are the sounds available in Thai language. Whatever we have is pretty much like English except a few of these sounds. I'll going through with you now. ไป BPAI like ไปโรงเรียน go to school ไปทำงาน go to work ต้อง I must คุณต้องฝึกภาษาไทยทุกวัน you must practice Thai every day. The reason we have two letters here because the sound is neither B or P and this one is neither D or T. Okay, so you have to pronounce it clearly. ไป ต้อง okay. If you're not sure whether you pronounce correctly, you can send me voice message. I'll check for you. ง่าย is the NG sound. This sound, how to pronounce this sound is you have to make sure that the back of your throat is closed and your tongue is in a lower position. Otherwise, it will sound like N, like ง่าย, okay? But this actual pronunciation is ง่าย รัก. We often pronounce this R with L instead because sometimes we get a bit of a lazy tongue. So instead of ผมรักคุณ which is you have to put in more effort. Thai people will tend to pronounce it as ผมรักคุณ. Okay, it's not a proper Thai. We should pronounce R and L correctly or properly. But somehow it become a common practice nowadays. With friends, we get a bit more casual and we won't be trying hard to pronounce the R correctly. So we just put it the L, รัก รู้แล้ว that I know. It should be รู้แล้ว but we pronounce like รู้แล้ว Okay, so basically it's like colloquial Thai. And the cluster, like the word that you learned before, maybe like สวัสดีครับ will sound like สวัสดีครับ or สวัสดีครับ in casual Thai สวัสดีครับ กลัว scared, afraid, fear will become กลัว คุณกลัวผีไหม คุณกลัวผีไหม or คุณกลัวผีไหม the actual is กลัว good to learn the proper Thai but understand that it could be pronounced without the cluster become กลัว okay. ปลา is the proper Thai again ปลา ผมชอบกินปลา or ฉันชอบกินปลา I like to eat fish. But sometimes we can pronounce it in a lazy way. Like ผมชอบกินปลา ฉันชอบกินปลา. Okay, you have to be prepared to hear both, either one. If you're watching Thai television, you'll get to hear more proper Thai. If you're talking to a Thai person, you'll get like street Thai where it's a bit more casual and some sound are not so emphasized. Okay. แปลก will be pronounced as แปลก okay. Yeah, that's about all for today. Do let me know if you have any questions. Okay, if you're not sure whether you pronounce it right, remember you can send me a voice message. I'll check for you. Okay.